Hello everyone! In this video, we'll collect 6 chests from Peace Bell Tower. At the same time, we'll finish the Divinecraft dungeon, Arrowfire Tongming. Now, teleport to Front Mountain. Turn around. Jump down. Walk along the stone wall on the left. Turn left. Press F to interact. Walk in. Jump down slowly. Jump slowly. Turn left. Pick up the quiver. Walk in. Turn left and activate the mechanism. Pick up the explosive barrel. Go left and put it down. Move a little further away, then shoot the explosive barrel. Turn around and shoot the other explosive barrel. Go forward and walk in the cave. There's a chest inside. Then go back to where that just exploded. Follow the path. There's quiver on the right. You can pick it up if you want. Use the fire arrow and shoot the fire pit. Then turn left. Shoot the fire pit ahead. Keep moving forward. Jump down. Walk into the waterfall. There is a chest inside the waterfall. Walk inside. Go right and jump up the stone platform. Pick up the tattered secret manual of Shuyu Jade. This is a quest item from Wandering Tales. Then go forward, follow the path. There's another chest ahead. Then walk outside the waterfall. Jump down. If you jump on the water, turn right and climb up. Walk in. There's a chest on the right. Keep going. You can pick up the quiver. Then walk on the elevator and activate it. left and walk on the elevator on the left. Activate it. Launch the fire arrow into the fire pit. Then open the chest on the left. Turn around and activate the elevator. Turn left and go forward. Walk on the elevator ahead and activate it. Activate the mechanism to get the explosive barrel. Pick up the explosive barrel. Put it down and blow it up with the fire arrow. Then shoot the fire pit. Then walk back to the elevator and activate it. Turn right and go up. Walk up and shoot the fire pit on the right-hand side. Walk in and open the last chest. Now let's check. You'll find the 6 chests from Peace Bell Tower has been collected.